MonkeyBoo, today you get to have a V8. Hang on, Boo. You can't have all this because it's got a little bit of sodium. So I'm going to take a drink of it. And this is not my favorite stuff. Oh, it's like cold tomato. Let's see what Boo thinks about it. Boo, you could have had a V8. Turn around here. There you go. Is it good? It's got all kinds of stuff that's good for you. You like it? You've never had that before. You like? Do you like it? Look at your silly mustache. Be careful with that. Well, Boo, how do you feel energetic? You had your V8, you got all your vitamins and your veggies in. Okay, after a drink, he cleans up the can.
Look at how his tongue is. He can't get it off his lip. Why is that so funny? You should make a video of just that.
Did you finish it? Is it good? Shake my hand. Shake my hand. Good boy. Say thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That's right. Look at this. You kiss. I don't want to do all the way kiss. Good boy.